Welcome. Thank you for considering us as your garage epoxy expert. In this video, we will show you step-by-step process that ensures beautiful, long-lasting results for your garage. First things first, we set up plastic sheeting to protect your belongings and keep everything clean. Next, we grind and remove the top layer of your concrete, creating a clean, smooth surface for your epoxy. Then we apply a high quality base coat, ensuring a strong, durable foundation. We add stunning decorative flakes, giving your garage a custom look with texture and style. Finally, we finish it off with a top coat to protect your floor from stains, damage, and wear. The result, a beautiful, long-lasting epoxy floor that is easy to clean and maintain. Contact us today to get started on your garage transformation. We can't wait to work with you.
How's it going? Here with Dr. J's Flooring and Hardwood. I just had him do a 2-day garage job for me. Epoxy flooring. It was awesome. Uh, Quality product that's laid out here. Quality service. On time. Gentlemen. Very clean and organized. Awesome job. If you're looking to get your garages done, definitely give this guy a call.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir.
No problem.